So have you ever saw the code written in this way or maybe this way? This is called casing styles, and you never hear about this when you're in your universities or when you're just starting with code. But when it comes to being a professional developer or working on a production grade software, casing style plays an important role to make your code manageable and easily readable. Now when we write a code for any software, we actually play with the rules of IC to make that software work in a certain way. So within these IC rules, spacebar is considered as a delimiter, basically a special character which is prohibited to use in almost every programming language. So writing a code as we write our paragraphs in day-to-day life is not possible while coding. And when there is no spacebar allowed in our coding file, writing a code without a spacebar in a paragraph fashion makes the code file impossible to read or to understand. And that's why casing styles were introduced, which actually makes our life easy. So the first one is camel casing. Now in this writing style, the first word is written all in a small cases and the next word, first letter is written in a capital. So it is recommended to use this casing style while declaring a function, and we also use it while declaring a variable. Second is Pascal case. Now this one is quite familiar with our day-to-day use cases, and this simply means that writing the first letter of every word capital and then attaching other words with it without any spaces make it follow the same fashion. Now usually it is recommended to use this casing style while declaring a class, and we also use it to declare our project name within the scope of code editor. Third one is snake case, and snake case came with a special character called as underscore, which we can use in our code as a replacement of a spacebar, which is while writing any text into the snake case, you can write every text, every word in a small case, and between two words we add underscore instead of spacebar. Now majority use of snake case is while declaring a variable in a production environment, but we also use it to declare the names of our child file within our project. The fourth and last one is a screaming snake case. Now we all know snakes don't scream, but this is a depiction of a snake who is about to bite someone. So this casing style is almost similar to the snake case styling, where the only difference is that instead of writing each word in a small case, now we write each words in a capital case. So writing each word in a capital case, and when there is a need of a spacebar between words, we add underscore. Now 99% of time this casing style is used while declaring a constant in our code file. So I hope you learned something from this video. I'll recommend you to read about these casing styles on internet and start using it into your code files, because this is the thing which makes a difference between a developer and an experienced developer.